Jai Srimannarayana. 27th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yat karoshi yadasnasi yajjuhosi dadasi yat yattapasyasi kaunteya tatkurushva madarpanam. Om. Take it serious from today, from this moment onwards. Keep checking everything that you do if that would make Sri Krishna happy. Every activity that you are doing, if that would make Sri Krishna happy. Everything that you are thinking, if that would make Sri Krishna happy. Every thought that is running in your mind, if that would make Sri Krishna happy. Every activities belonging to Vedic rituals, if that would make Sri Krishna happy. Every charities that you are doing, if that would make Sri Krishna happy. Everything that you eat, if that would make Sri Krishna happy. Everything, start checking with Sri Krishna Paramatma if that makes Krishna Paramatma happy, and keep offering all your activities that you do for the sustenance of your body and for everything that you are doing. Keep offering to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, from today, from this moment onwards, whatever that I am doing, whatever that I am thinking, whatever that I am eating, whatever the activities, Vedic activities that I am doing, pujas and all other yajnas, whatever the charities that I am doing, I would definitely check with you. I would definitely think about you and think that if that makes you happy. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall dedicate, I shall offer all my activities to you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 103rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama Krishna, both of them are growing in Nandavrajam. They were crawling on their knees. Tau Anghriyugmam Anukrishya Ghosha Praghosha Ruchiram Vrajakardameshu Tannada Hrushta Manasa Anusrutya. Balarama Krishna, their legs, their feet, their waist, their wrists, all of them were decorated with so many ornaments. So when they were crawling, all those ornaments used to make lot of sound. Then while listening to that sound, those boys, Balarama and Krishna, without knowing that it is coming from their own instruments, Prabhitavat Vupeyatuhu Antimatroho, by getting scared of that sound, they used to rushingly crawl towards their mothers. Then Tat Matarau Nijasutau Dorbhyam Vupagruhya, Yashoda and Rohini Devi, they used to see that and they used to feel happy and sympathy noticing that Balarama and Krishna's innocence. They takes their children in their own laps and they start giving their milk. Panka Anga Raga Ruchirau. Those boys, while crawling on the floor, they get all that mud on them. But Yashoda and Rohini did not care that. They takes their children and while feeding the milk, what they do, Dutu Duru Grukka Grukka Kutorama Guchun Aduduru Muddu Palukulu Avyaktamuluga Karamulu Angramulun Allarchi. They used to squeeze the milk and they try to say some words, but they do not know how to say. They used to make a sound ooh, ooh, like that. And they used to move their hands and legs while drinking the milk. And they used to give a nice, beautiful smile to their mothers. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, 27th sloka. Yat karoshi yadasnasi, yat juhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurushva madarpanam. Yat karoshi yadasnasi, yat juhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurushva madarpanam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.